friends, today's video is going to be a setup of my 2021 planner. I am using a Discbound planner again in the like happy planner style, long vertical style for 2021. I can't decide if I'm gonna move over to using like standard vertical layouts, or not layouts, like standard vertical pages instead of the long vertical style. But right now I have a 2021-2022 like 18-month happy planner in here, and I don't know, I go back and forth all the time as to whether or not I want to use a long vertical or standard vertical. I don't know. So that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna just go through what I have here in my planner. So the first thing I have is this, like, I don't know what you would call it. It's a really thick, like vinyl type of snap-on cover that I have a video on using the We Are Memory Keepers, like, nope, this is a crocodile. Disc punch to make. I strongly suggest picking this up from Michael's. It's amazing. We Are Memory Keepers came out with, or also are coming out with, a disc punch like cinch. If you have ever used a cinch where you like kind of hole punch your pages and then bind it with a little like binding spiral ring thing, they are coming out with one that is disc punches. So I'm excited to pick that up as well. But that power punch punched through this really thick like Doki book it was like a snap-on cover thing, and I didn't like that, so I turned it into this like snap down and snap close cover thing. I have some gold metal discs on here, and then there's going to be a lot of glare, so I'm trying to not have it. And I actually have a very similar setup with this already on my channel. Trying to get the glare off, but I really do love this cover, so I decided to use it again. But I have this little envelope pocket with stars, and then a Sagittarius little journaling card from Rose Colored Days in here. I don't even know if you can really see it. You can't really. Do I have a piece of paper? Oh no, all my foiling stuff. Let me get this. Okay, let's do this. Sorry for the glare. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Snap in thing here. It's better in person. You can see it better in person, but this is rose gold with hollow, and then the stars are gold. And then I have a little like paper clip right here. And then I made my cover using that power punch again, and my mink. So your mink, I strongly suggest getting a mink too. Like if you are a planner person and you really want to planner it up, get a mink, because it can also be a high heat laminator. So I laminated this scrapbook paper from A Beautiful Mess. It's a Project Life collaboration with A Beautiful Mess from like 2013. I don't even know. This is my favorite paper. It just has black on the other side, but it's one of my favorite papers, and I laminated it to use as a cover, and I love it. But yeah, high heat laminator or your mink can do 10 mil laminating pouches, and 10 mil is pretty much what your happy planner type of cover is made of. And then I just used that power punch thing from We Are Memory Keepers to punch through it as well. This also has some pockets. I know this is probably going to be glary too, but it has some clear like little pockets. These are little envelopes I got off of Amazon, and I don't have anything stuck in here yet. There was some stuff in here from before, but I kind of just layered them up to create some pockets in here. And then it has this this paper was double-sided, so it has like a polka dot thing on the back. I have, y'all know, my goals here is to have like an inspiration page. Well, this is another pocket page from Rose Colored Days that has hollow stars on it. And then I'd like to have an inspiration page here, but it hasn't happened in every planner setup I share with you. Every single one do not have an inspiration page in here. Maybe I should do that. Also, still have not finished task cards. I really would like to have task cards. These are the like task card things that I want to put in this little pocket. I think I got this from Doki Book as well. Still have not finished it. But it's in there. I don't know. Then I have this vellum. Let me see. Would it be better if I do this? That's still probably kind of glare on it, but I have this vellum. I found this pattern. Yeah, let's do this till we get some flipping going. I found this pattern on, I'm pretty sure I just found it on Canva, and I just made a 8.5 by 11 canvas in Canva and just started filling in some cool patterns that I found, and I thought this is really cool as like a vellum, and then I just printed it on vellum. I've seen a ton of people get really creative with their like nameplate pages, and so Jazz Up the Plan is the one that comes to my mind first. I love her page, especially for journaling. Another thing I want to get back into is journaling in my like teacher planner for 2022, but I don't know, I just haven't done it. I haven't done it yet. I didn't keep it up in 2021. I want to keep it up in 2022. It's hard to have a lot of different planners because I have a digital planner because I like digital planning. I have this paper planner because I like paper planning, and they pretty much say the same thing. Like if I usually keep up with one and not the other, so then I just copy things between them because I like it. I just like having a digital planner. And I want to, I guess it's going to be kind of a ramble. I want to use my digital planner more as a like daily check-in thing. I got this one called Cyberry from K Digital Studio, and I really want to use it as like sign into work and have on my others, my Dell Venue 11 Pro is like a third monitor for me, and I have that down below my 2 monitors for work. And so I want to kind of have that open on my personal computer so that I can type and be like, okay, this is what I need to do, I work from home, so it's like could be a master list, like, okay, when I have 5 minutes, I can go change the laundry, that kind of thing. And I really like that Cyberry planner, but I can't figure out how to like make it work for me yet. So nameplate. I love this. I don't remember what this planner was called, but I really do love this planner. And this is what's making me want to go grab, keep with the Happy Planner line. I might pick up another Happy Planner going into 2023. Like I said, it's the best layout for me. I really do like it. I like their stickers, but I'm trying to diversify and not have this like brand loyalty type of deal going on, but I don't know. So anyway, it says Mo is making inspiring plans. Inspire is my word for 2022. I didn't fill this out at all. I always kept it at the front of my planner, but I didn't fill it out at all in 2021. So I decided to fill it out here for 2022. And I just put a bunch of stickers that I really liked around everything, especially this Miss Maker. I love Miss Maker. So then we go into, I'll flip this open like this now. There's the calendar. I haven't used this at all. I don't even know why I have this in here, honestly. And that says July 2021. This is my, for the most part, like cleaning routine. I can't tell you the last time I kept up with it. And this is reminding me that I should do these kind of things, in the morning and in the evening and then, every week and blah, blah, blah. So cleaning routine. I think I have a reel on this on Instagram too. I have some checklists here. Then we go into January. I haven't decided for December. Last year I did a, like a bucket list type of thing, but I don't think I'm going to do that for January. I may, now that I'm thinking that I want to keep up with journaling, maybe I will do that. Maybe I'll try and come up with something that I can just put some boxes and journal a little bit. We'll see. Who knows? I don't know. I do like when people put a sticker for each day, but that's going to take a lot. I don't know. We'll see. But I already am not keeping up with my planners too. So this was the first week of January, the second week of January, and then I'm currently filming this here, and I haven't even laid my spread down. Then I have this really funny taco. This was in some sort of box at some point. I don't even remember, for Happy Planner, and I found it the other day and I thought it was funny and cute, so I put it back in here. And I have through July in here. So what's February? This is February's dashboard. March, April. I feel like I got a lot of pages in there. May. I loved this planner. June, July, and then, I'm missing my pen. And then I have another divider in here. Oh, I will say my divider here, I have a tutorial on how to make your own little vinyl accessories on dividers and stuff for your planner. So I'll leave that link down below. I also have some note paper here. And then this is where I sort of store stickers that I want to, or that I know I'm going to use a lot. I'll just go through and like repopulate this as I go. And then I have I have a 2-pocket folder, not folder, but I don't know what you would call this, 2-pocket insert thing from Rose Colored Days. Again, I keep my foiled stuff in here. So these are some foil stuff that I made. This is from Rose Colored Days. It has, I need to get more of the Pagan Holidays. I think that they still have them, hopefully. And then this is like Print Petticoat Bandit had a foil, like foil overlay, like foil ready stickers. And I just kind of printed these individually. Magical Sticker Co. These are some that I made. This is just some scripts, more that I made. Print Petticoat Bandit ones I made, and then more Print Petticoat Bandit. And I kind of have to store them with the paper, because these are on paper and these are on clear sticker paper, and these are on like white sticker paper. If I don't, you probably can't even see, but like there's some transfer here from the foil that is on clear paper. So usually I try and store it with the like actual paper facing so it doesn't transfer anything. Then I have this little doober that has some stuff from Unhappy Planner store. These guys, they're all black and white and they're pretty cute. This one I want to use for like when Zach does stuff. And then Wise Minerva Studio has a lot of witchy stickers. I'll move Magical Sticker Co. here so we can see. Like I had the Samhain. Oh, here's some more scripts. And Yule in there. I need to move Imbolc. I need to move Imbolc over. Here's some more witchy stickers. More Unhappy Planner. These I had brought to Virginia with us. This has something weird on it. It says Payday. And then I have some Magical Sticker Co. Magical Sticker Co. ones that say Family Time and Playtime with Marcus that I keep in there too. And I was going to move into, I think I should take these out. I was going to move back into drawing my own layouts. Oh my gosh, this is so glary again. To drawing my own layouts. But I decided not to. I decided to keep with my Happy Planner, but these are the months from Magical Sticker Co. So I would use, they have like all 4 foils and I would put them down. So I might take that out. Then, yeah, let's keep this here. I have a ruler because again, I was going to draw my own layouts. So I'm going to take that out. I was probably using silver at one time, so that's why this is in here. Some more scripts. This little witchy guy that I used to mark rituals and stuff if I do anything, which I haven't recently. I kind of put these in here to be like, you need to do more stuff. Like, you need to like meditate and you need to like do more witchy things, and I haven't. So more Unhappy Planner. This is some stuff from Michaels. Some of the sticker books from Michaels, and I just got another one from Shine Sticker Studio, and I think it's a really good deal because some of these I won't use, like some of the stickers in there I won't use, but I think it's a really good deal to get like a bunch of the like emoji type of stickers, or I don't know, weather and like these kind of guys. So this is Shine Sticker Studio. This is Wonton and a Million. More Shine Sticker Studio. Flags. This is Once More with Love. Again, I took that out of a box or a book from Michaels. Some more Happy Planner stuff. Here's another one, like Once More with Love stuff. Yeah, some of this stuff is from Happy Planner. And I put this in this folder. And then I have a pin loop from Printpression. And then I usually keep like the stuff that I'm using. Like this was the first week. This was the second week of January. I am going to be using rose gold or like this pink color for the third week, and I've been using these like doilies and lacy things. I've been trying to get into that, so I have that in the back. I'll put this in here because why not, which I'll show you. I kind of did it a little bit already, how I'm moving into the new year in my way of planning. So let me pull this out here. So to cover up the headers, like the big dates or whatever, and use date covers, I've been using the little doilies and then some of the deco and then the date cover. And then because this is much longer than a standard vertical column, I have put some, what do you call it? Lace divider things here, and then not put headers for everything. I have seen some people do headers all the way across, and I'm kind of thinking of taking this and flipping it down here, but I don't know if I like that or not. But that's the way I'm kind of going for 2022. So you can see it here too, where I have the dividers and stuff. So yeah, and then I have a flip up here, and I haven't really been using the underlays. I think I'm going to get back to using those, but I'm not sure. I don't know. So then I'm going to do my, I got to lay down my spread for this week. So that is my 2022 planner. As you can tell, I still haven't fixed my lights. Like, I'm always like, oh, I'm gonna fix these lights so there's not that much glare, but that hasn't happened. So yeah, I don't know. I really do want to get back into journaling. So I'm trying to think of maybe I can use the monthly to kind of do a reflection or something like that, and just do it once a month. I don't know. Or, you know, a couple times a month or once a weekend or something. Who knows? I don't know. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, oh, and then I also have this little charm that I made for like October. But I still have it on there. It's a little tarot card and a little witchy hat. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and see the other videos I have for you on my channel. I hope to see you around. Give this video a big like, and like I said, subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.